Hi guys, this is Vineet and I welcome you to this video. Today video topic is how to copy package objects inside SQL Server Integration Services. So this video is related to SSIS and we will teach you how you can copy package objects, which are objects inside the package, how you can copy those objects in SQL Server Integration Services. But before we proceed ahead, I would request you guys to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And there's a subscribe button coming below this video. Click on that subscribe button. It will give you a bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future and upcoming videos. So let me give you 5 seconds. Please go ahead and subscribe right away. So guys, I hope you must have subscribed by now. So let me take you to notes directly. So today we are going to discuss the topic how you can copy the package objects inside SQL Server Data Tools or SSIS. This particular topic basically describes how to copy control flow items. So there's a control flow tab and whatever items are present on the control flow tab, we will teach you how you can copy them. We will teach you how you can copy the data flow items. So let me mention that. So we will teach you how you can how to copy the control flow items, how to copy the data flow items, how to copy the connection managers, and we will teach about how to copy the above things, how to copy the above items within a package itself, or how to copy these above items between various packages or between two packages, I would say. All right, so this is what we will teach. This is the agenda basically. Now let me take you through steps on how to copy control and data flow items. So in order to do that, I need to open up the Visual Studio because integration services is associated. Basically, the SQL Server Data Tools is present inside the Microsoft Visual Studio. So whatever integration services project you built should be from within the Visual Studio. So these are some of the projects I had created earlier. If you don't know how to create a sample project in SSIS, you can learn that. So you can do that so via one of my channels. So let me take you to my channel page quickly and show you how you can learn that. So please note down my channel URL while I'm explaining. So let me go to my channel first quickly. So this is my channel URL, which is youtube.com/@techivini. This is my channel name. And I posted around 316 videos on my channel and have around 1.08k subscriber at present. Let me take you to playlist. This is the home page of my channel, and if you scroll towards the bottom of this page, you will find the section for created playlist. And if you scroll towards the right, you will see a playlist on SQL Server Integration Services. So guys, if you are learning integration services, I would highly recommend you to go through all the videos in this playlist. Currently, we have 28 videos. So let me show you the few full playlist. You can choose that option to view all the videos that are tagged under this playlist. So it is starting from SQL Server Integration Services overview. Then it comes down to the installation of integration services and SQL Server Data Tools. These two videos are very important because if you don't have the SSDT tools installed inside your machine, you won't be able to practice any stuff mentioned in the videos. So go through these two videos. Apart from that, go through other videos as well, because in the other videos, I'm describing various section of the integration services, the user interface, etc. And there's a walkthrough of SSIS Designer. Apart from that, I've described the SSIS Toolbox. And apart from that, I have created 12 videos which are interrelated. This is the videos related to ETL project, a sample ETL project that I have created. I would highly recommend you to please go through all these parts, practice this stuff on your SQL Server Data Tools or SSIS. Go through all the 12 videos, create a project so that you can get a basic understanding on how you can create the packages inside SSIS. And whatever video I'm recording today, it's related to SSIS. I will add this video to this particular playlist as well. So this playlist is very useful. Go through all the videos in sequence so that you can get a better grasp on this. So in order to practice the content on this video, you must have completed at least 2 videos, and the SQL Server data tools must be installed on your system. So let's proceed ahead. I'm assuming that you have already installed the SQL Server data tools. On top of that, this practical is going on. So earlier we had created some projects. So this is one of the solutions or projects inside SSIS, the deployment tutorial. And basically in this video, what we are teaching you is how you can copy the items on the data and control flow, the control and data flow tabs, how you can copy items from there, right? So if you take a look towards the right hand side, you will find the section for SSIS package. Under that, we had created these two packages, data transfer.dtsx and load.xml data.dtsx. So first step is to open your integration services project that contain the packages that you want to work with, right? And this solution explorer, which is this part of this window, you need to double click on the package that you want to copy the data between. So we need to open all the packages in which we want to copy the data. So in our case, we have two packages. Let's open both of them. So first I'm opening the data transfer package. Next, I will open the load XML data package. So both the packages should be opened side by side. So it takes some time to open the package. So right now the package is about to get opened. The data transfer.dtsx package mentioned by the tab title bar. And let's open up the other package as well. So I've opened the package as well, which is load XML data.dtsx. Right. Now, for example, if we want to copy these items, these two items, or these three items, including the arrow, to the other package, which is data transfer package. So this is load XML data package. I want to copy these particular items, and this is the control flow tab, right? So you can copy items from any other tabs. The procedure is same. You can copy the items from the data flow tab, and you can also copy the items from the event handler tab if you have defined any. In this project, I haven't defined any event handlers. So the procedure is same. Let me show you how you can copy the items from the control flow tab. So for that, you need to select all the items. Just drag a window around the items you want to copy so that they can get selected. So we have selected the control flow item. Similarly, you can select the data flow items that you want to copy. And you can also select items one at a time by pressing the shift key and clicking the item, or select the item as a group by dragging the pointer across the items you want to select. So we have dragged the pointer, right? We have created a window. We have dragged like this to select the items. That's the easy way. So if we talk about the precedence constraints, which are basically lines between these two components, these precedent constraints and path that connect items are not selected automatically when you select two items that they connect. So for example, if I individually select these two items using shift button or control button maybe, these precedent constraints do not get selected. So it's better to drag a window around them so that these precedent constraints should also get selected. Alright, so precedent constraints and paths that connect items are not selected automatically when you select the two items that they connect. To copy the ordered workflow, a segment of control flow or data flow, make sure to also copy the precedents, constraints, and the paths. So now in our case, by dragging the window, I've selected all the items, right? Now after selection, what you need to do, you need to copy the items. So right click on the items and there's an option to copy. So do copy. Now here we are copying the items to a different package, right? Project is same, but the package is different. So I've copied the items from the load XML data.dtsx package and I'm copying them to a different package, right? We can copy to the same package as well. So I can right click here and do a paste here as well. So it will duplicate out the items. So that is within the package itself from which I'm copying. I can paste the stuff here, right? Like this. Let me delete this. Don't require this, right? So let me copy the items again. This time, what I will do, I will copy it to the other package, which is the data transfer package. I've copied the items from the control flow tab. Let's copy these items back to control flow tab of data transfer.dtsx package. So let's do a paste over here. Your control flow items are pasted here now, right? So this is the procedure how you can copy the control flow items between the packages. All right. Now let me show you. Let me delete this. So this was the procedure, but I don't actually need these items here. So this was just for the demo. Now next thing is I will show you that how you can copy the connection managers. So on the right hand side, I don't see any connection manager, right? In the right hand side window, I do not see any connection managers, but there are some defined on the each of the projects. No, not each of the projects, but each of the packages. Each package has its own connection managers. So for example, if I have selected load XML data.dtsx, and if you look at the bottom window, these are the connection managers, and we have two connections manager present over here. One is the local AdventureWorks and the second one is the desktop. There are two connections present basically. These are connection items connected to various source and destinations, right? And if you want to gain more clarity on how you can create a connection manager, please go through my SQL Server integration videos. Basically, there is a tutorial that I would highly recommend that you should create. Consists of 12 videos. You can find those on my channel page. I have just shown you how you can look at these videos, and this is the project tutorial part 1, and we have part 12. You need to complete these in order to get a better grasp on what the connection managers are. So in this project, under the load XML data.dtsx, we have defined two connection managers. These are already there, and the purpose of this demo is to show you how to copy the connection manager. So in the SQL Server Data Tools, we have opened the integration services project, which is already opened, and basically it should contain the package that you want to work with. And the Solution Explorer, which is this part, double click the package. We have already done that, and packages are already open. Both the packages, data transfer.ddsx and load XML data.dtsx, both the packages are already open, right? So you can go to any of the tabs, control flow, data flow, or event handler tab, right? Now, when you open a particular package, at the middle section, you will see the connection managers area, right? So in the connection manager area, if you want to copy the connection manager, you need to right click on the connection manager that you want to copy. For example, if I want to copy the local AdventureWorks connection manager, you need to right click on the connection manager, and then you need to select the copy option. And there is a restriction that you can only copy one connection manager at a time. That's the restriction. And if you're copying items to a different package, click the package you want to copy. So I've done that, and let's copy this. This is from the control flow tab. I'm copying the connection manager local AdventureWorks from the load XML data DTSX. I've copied this package. Right click on it and do a copy. Go to the destination. For example, if I want to copy this connection manager to the data transfer package, click on that package. Here we have already defined 4 connection manager. But if you want to copy whatever package, let's copy the other one. I think that would be both the connection manager are present in this tab. Let's do the opposite. Let's copy some of the connection manager from data transfer to the load XML data package. So deployment tutorial log connection manager is not there. So let me copy this. Copy from this package and go to the destination package and right click here and do a paste. So pasted the connection manager here. It will come soon. Let's wait for it to. Now the deployment tutorial log connection manager is present over there. I've copied it from the data transfer project or the package, I would say, to the load XML data package. This is the connection which I've just pasted here on this package under the connection manager section. So guys, we are done with this video. I hope you like this video and you have learned how you can copy the items from various tabs like control flow, data flow, and the connection manager section from one project to another, and intra project as well, or within the project itself, or within the package itself. All right, let me go back to notes. These are the items we have covered, how you can copy the control flow item, data flow item, connection managers. We can copy this item within the package itself or between the packages. So we have gone through all these concepts. Okay, let's go back to slides. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please click on the like button which is coming below this video. And once you hit on the like button, and guys, if you are new to this channel and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. There's a subscribe button you will find just below this video, somewhere near to the like button. Click on that subscribe button. Once you click on subscribe button, it will give you a bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future and upcoming videos. So let me give you 5 seconds. Please go ahead and subscribe. All right. I hope you must have subscribed by now. And guys, in case you need the notes that are related to integration services. So for example, this notes Word document or PDF has around 47 pages at present. So if you want the copy of these notes, I have a system for that. You need to fill the subscriber registration form for this, and the link for the same is given in the description area of this video. If you check the description area of this video, you will find the link to fill in the subscriber registration form, which will be a form like this. Let me show you quickly. So this is the preview option. Let me show you how you will see the subscriber registration form. The link is in the description of this video. Open this link, you will get this form. You need to fill in your name, email address, and the phone number, the actual phone number. And you need to specify the subscription domain here. Currently, we are posting the notes under 3 different areas, which is SQL Server Business Continuity, Database Design, and Integration Services. So you need to select the appropriate area. If you want notes related to SQL Server Integration Services, for example, you can select that option. And currently, there are 4 types of subscription available. There's a 1-month subscription, which is free of cost. And in order to avail this subscription, you need to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And you also need to send me the subscription proof, maybe a screenshot from below the video showing subscribe button to my channel. And apart from that, you can avail 3 monthly, 6 monthly, and 12 monthly subscriptions, which are available at the cost of rupees 500, rupees 700, and rupees 1200 respectively. So choose whatever option is good for you. And once you choose the 1-month subscription, your subscription will be revoked after 1 month or 30 days, unless you opt for other subscriptions which are not free. So this is only one time. The 1-month subscription is only one time. It cannot be availed second time. So this is just to give you an idea on how you can access the notes and go through the notes for free for 1 month. All right, so once you fill in the subscriber registration form, I will give you access to my SQL Drive folders. We have a folder defined for each of the sections like business continuity, database design, and integration services. So I'm posting notes related to integration services over here. This is the PDF copy of the notes that I was discussing right now, a few minutes back. And whatever notes I will create, I will put under the appropriate sections for integration services or any other SQL Server topics. So all right, I hope you will fill the subscriber registration form soon so that you can avail the notes so that you can go through them apart from going through the videos. So that's it, guys, and let me take you back to slides. In case you want to get in touch with me, you can send me an email on the following addresses given on the left hand side, which is vrmavane@gmail.com, and other address is techievinny.docslibrary@gmail.com. And you can contact me regarding below requirements. For copy of notes, you need to fill in the subscriber registration form. That's the only way. You can send me an email, but ultimately I will send you the subscriber registration form link. You should be a subscriber to my site in order to check the notes. And subscriptions are paid as well as free as well. In case you need a copy of the SQL code or script, some scripts that I used during my project, you need to send me an email regarding that. And apart from that, if you want to schedule one-on-one calls or consultations, or if you want to do some SQL troubleshooting along with me, you can do that. So these are the paid items, whatever items are listed on the right hand side, apart from notes, which has a 1 month free subscription. All the other items are paid ones, including the SQL consultation, SQL troubleshooting, the one-to-one calls. And if you want me to perform analysis of any SQL code, or if you want to collaborate for any content creation or brand promotion, you can do that so as well. But those items will be charged. So guys, I thank you so much for your time on this video today, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you.